I hate these witches. Stop it, will you? That's gonna give me a punch. Hiya! Hi guys, and welcome to a new episode on this channel. Today we will talk about eco-living. Enough you. So how will we get started? Go away, will you? Go away. Go away. Punch. Alright, what is a carbon footprint? Well, a carbon footprint is how much CO2 and how much carbon dioxide a person, a country, or a company is using. So then, how is this useful? It isn't. Now, let's look at this graph. This graph shows from biggest to large to biggest to smallest are the producers of how much carbon footprint they have. Number 1 on our list is, what is it called? Kuwait. And the last on our list, which is visible here, the visible thing on our list, is 102, Brazil. And the lower you're on the list, the better. I mean, my home country, South Korea, is 39th place, so that's still better than the United States. So then, what do we need to do so that all of our carbon emissions will be really low? Well, what you need to do like that is to be like, try to reduce negative 80% of all that carbon footprint you use. Like, for example, you can go biking instead of driving. You can also go hunting with your favorite owl, and boom, you'll be able to send messages throughout the world. Also, you can just use written mail instead of using that computer that you always turn on and forget to turn off. Or you can just stop and destroy your phone, but then you won't be able to watch this video, so I just say leave the phone. So then, what about that creepy red light that always shows when you just turned it off? I hate this red light. I mean this. Well, unlike the witch, it's basically about that it's turned off, but it's still using the electricity itself. And all those things, those red lights on all your devices, what the hell is this? Is probably just using 8% of your energy bill. So then, just like, for example, cycling, biking, and trying to make your own stuff, and trying to make your own energy, then that might be a good head start. But always try to use ways that is simple at home, but is really effective for the world. So let's stop the carbon footprint forever! Yeah! Hero Hedwig! So today's episode, just for a quick recap, is that a carbon footprint is how much carbon is produced by a country, a person, or a company. And for the future of carbon footprints, that will have to rely on us. Whatever we do now is tomorrow. This is the end of this episode. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next episode. Shinhan at Pace. Which video do you want to watch, Hedwig? Click. Ah! Okay, seriously, somebody turn off the video.